bought this little template from Lowe's for these side ones. Found the center. I marked the center on this template. I used this, got my center, lined it up, and I got my holes marked. This just helped raise it up, just find the center a little bit easier. And the bolts that came with it were too short, so I had to go buy these small ones for the front pieces. These are the two that I'm going to use. This is how I was doing it. I was using this little lip right here and just letting that kind of sit in, then I know that's where my spot is. Put some tape back here. Doesn't blow it out. Probably going to anyway. It came with a drill bit. I'll use a little one to start it.